You don't have to quit drinking forever. You need to ask yourself just one thing. How many more days are you willing to waste? It's always just a few drinks, just the weekend, just one night out that turns into a foggy morning, a slower week, another reset. But while you are numbing the edge, time keeps moving. Your future does not pause when you're recovering. And that's the part that nobody talks about. Alcohol's most expensive cost is not the money, your energy, or anything else. It's your time. You only get a few years in your life where you can really focus on something. Years where you are young enough to go hard, sharp enough to build something substantial, and clear enough to actually finish what you have started. Most people spend those years slightly hungover, and then they wonder everything that they said they would do is still not done. Time does not make announcements when it's running out. It just slips away, disguising as next week, next summer, when I'm ready. You don't have to hit rock bottom to realize that alcohol is not helping. You just have to be honest. Are you waking up in the morning proud of what you have done last night? Are you building something that will possibly outlive you? Or are you buying temporary relief with the one thing that you can never get back? You don't have to be addicted to feel stuck. You just have to keep choosing comfort over clarity and wonder why your life will not shift. Every "it's not that bad" compounds, and every slow morning delays the decisions that could have changed everything. What if this is your window of opportunity, the season you were supposed to go all in? What if this year was the year that you were finally going to get serious? And what if you are throwing it all away, 1, 2, 3 drinks at a time? Not because you are weak, because it's easier to feel okay than it is to chase great. Easier to pour a glass than confront the parts of you that are begging for something more. You don't have to quit drinking forever. You don't have to label yourself or start preaching. You just have to look in the mirror and be honest. Am I spending my time like I know it's running out? Because one day it will be. And you don't get a refund on the years where you were almost ready.